Hi and welcome to Harida Healthcare Moving and Handling Limited. We've created a range of videos which are used to support instruction of how to best apply each sling type. Our videos are to be used as a guide only, so please note that a full assessment must be taken by a qualified carer in every instance prior to a lift. First, a thorough inspection of the sling, binding and webbing must take place. If it's worn, torn or ripped in any way, then please discard and do not use the sling. Equally, make sure that you're aware that the sling and hoist demonstrate the maximum user weight clearly, and also that you are aware that the patient you are about to lift fits comfortably within the maximum weight limitations. The sling must also have an individual serial number that allows traceability for its model and design. Slings with loop attachments must be applied to hook-type spreader bars with loop configuration, and slings with clips must be applied to peg or clip-type spreader bars with clip configuration. Never use either design on a non-configurable spreader bar. It can often be intimidating being hoisted for the first time. Therefore, always clearly communicate your lifting intentions whilst providing reassurance both beforehand and throughout the lifting process to your patient. The patient and sling hoist falls into the regulations of LOLA, or lifting operations and lifting equipment, and PURE, provision and use of work and equipment regulations, and must be treated as such. For further information, please visit the HSE website at hse.gov.uk. Harida Healthcare Moving and Handling Limited have manufactured the Thames Premium Toilet Sling. This product has been designed to ensure that the toilet transfer process is made easier, and as a result of the specialist cut, clothing removal is greatly facilitated. The Thames can be used with most compatible spreader bar hoists and is obtainable with head supports, if required to assist complex patient needs. Ask the patient to lean forward, supported by the carer as necessary. Place the sling behind the patient's back in a seated position as shown. Then ask the patient, supported or otherwise, to lean back whilst the sling is held in place. Loosely fasten the Velcro belt. Tuck the sling leg sections under each leg, taking care not to pinch or nip the body mass. As the sling has been applied, feed the straps through the dignity hoop section. As the sling and patient are comfortable, reduce the height of the hoist spreader bar, avoiding the patient's face and head at all times. Place equal coloured straps to the bar, ensuring that the correct and comfortable position is achieved. Ensure the patient's arms are outside of the sling body. Please note that some patients' clinical conditions may require various colour applications on the spreader bar, and as such, a trained carer must always conduct this activity. Tighten the straps by hoisting under tension gently until lift is ready. Always check that the chest band and belt are comfortably taut but not too tight. Communicate throughout the process to your patient. It's advised that a toilet sling with a head section must be used if the patient has limited strength lifting from the bed to a toilet position. A full risk and safety assessment should always be conducted with the patient and surroundings prior to any lift. Do not attempt to lift any patient during any circumstances without the appropriate training. Moving and handling vulnerable patients is a serious business, and Harida do not endorse unsafe or underqualified staff throughout any lifting process. If you're unsure, please contact a supervisor or line manager within your workplace, who will be responsible for the correct procedural lift and training policies within your site.